You're going to take something from this video today, but if you don't take anything from this video, then I didn't say that. Okay? So welcome my loves to my channel. My name is Fekulia, but you can call me Leah as you always see in my other videos. So this video is a girl talk, long time a girl talk. I've been posting all vlogs lately, but I'm back to a girl talk, and this girl talk is all about transforming your life from being a girl, like a girl to a woman, transforming your life from 2023 to 2024, becoming more feminine and all. So, number one thing I want you to take away from this video, if also you're not taking anything, I want you to take away this number one thing from this video is how you perceive yourself. For you to be more intentional about what you want in your life. I want you guys to be intentional about everything you plan for 2024. Be more intentional. Like when I say be more intentional, I was saying you should know the type of woman you want to be in 2024. Be more intentional. How does she walk? How does she talk? Where does she go to? What does she do? During the week, what does she do? On the weekends, what does she do? What kind of food does she eat? What kind of people does she associate with? What kind of people is she always around? I mean, ask yourself questions. How does she talk? How does she walk? How does she carry herself? Is she a queen? Is she a baddie? Is she... Just say anything. I mean, be intentional. Think very well. Think about it. Take a pen and write it down in your journal. Ask yourself, what type of woman do I want to be in 2024? Be intentional about it. Be real with yourself. Don't lie. Think very well, and you would see that you want to become more than what you are now. Definitely. You want to level up your life. You want to be a woman instead of being a girl. Yeah. I also want to be a woman, not a girl. I mean, I've been working on these things lately, and I've seen that it has changed my life for the better. I mean, I am more like a woman now. I mean, I feel like a woman, and I know I am a woman now, no longer a girl. So I'm transforming. So before 2024, I want us to transform into that woman we all want to be. Okay, so how do we go about this thing now? First of all, we talked about perceiving yourself, how you perceive yourself, how you carry yourself, and what you want to be. After knowing what you want to be, then you know about what this woman does. After knowing all of those things, then we talk about maintenance. Maintenance. Yeah, I love that part of this video because I love to look good, I love to feel good and look good. That's my era now. I'm in the era of feel good, look good, and clean girl era, like healthy girl era. That's the era I'm in now. So what kind of era are you in? Soft life body, healthy girl, clean girl, you know? What kind of era are you in? Comment down below with an emoji. If with this emoji, what kind of era you are. Talking about maintenance, girls, get your nails done. Ha! I know I don't have my nails on now because I removed it a while ago. I had some stuffs, like I had some stuffs to do, and you know my nails were too long, so I needed to remove it to do what I wanted to do. But later today I'll be putting them on. You'll be seeing it in my next video. Yeah, so get your nails done. The first thing that anyone notices in you once they see you is your nails. Because as I'm talking to you now, you can see my hands moving, like my hands are moving, and you can see how attractive my nails are. Probably not for now, but when you have your nails on, you feel people perceive you as more attractive, as a person that cares about himself or herself. So when you have your nails done, people perceive you differently, and you're more of a boss ass girl. So get your nails done, girls. I'll get my nails done soon, probably after this video or this evening when I'm done with what I want to do. So talking about nails, moving on, let's talk about hair. Get your hairs done. Get you a wig. And if you can't get a wig, I mean, get you braids. Braids is like the go-to hair now. I mean, you don't have to wake up in the morning and brush up your hair, like look for your hair is looking all rough and you want to take a comb and brush it off. Braids are always there for you. Like you just need to add your oil and you're good to go, girl. Like pack it in different styles and all. I mean, let's get our braids done. And if you're trying to transition to natural hair, like me, I'm trying to transition into natural hair, you need to have your protective styles. Like I keep seeing ladies on the road. I mean, you're transitioning and your hair is looking all messy. Like why? Even if you're transitioning to natural hair, you need to have your hair done. Braid it down. I know braids, I know it can get rough, like really quickly, but still try your best. I mean your possible best to keep your nails, sorry, did I just say nails? I mean to keep your hair tidy. I mean your edges, the different styles to pack your hair. I mean you have the buns. I mean there are so many styles. We have ponytail for natural hair. Like ponytail on natural hair is giving. Like I love it so much. Just get your naturals done and you're good to go, my girl. Yeah, yeah. So the next thing is get your makeup done. Even if you don't have, you don't need to do the whole foundation, concealer, and stuff like that. Getting your makeup done doesn't mean you should pack the whole makeup you have in your house or your face every single day. Okay? Like me now, I have on concealer, blush, and that is literally all I have on my face. And lip gloss, liner, um, lip liner, eyeliner, and that is what I have on right now. So I need you girls. I mean, get that look done. If at all you don't want to do the whole what I'm doing right now, I mean, I'm just doing this because of the video. Get your lash done. I know I don't have my lash now, but get your lash done, girl. And your lip gloss. See, there is something about lip gloss. Here, guys, lip gloss takes your look from 0 to 50. Trust me. Just you don't have any makeup on. You've not had your bath. Just try and apply lip gloss. They'll think you had makeup on. Trust me, they'll tell you you have makeup on because lip gloss just adds something to your beauty and you like look extra beautiful. Trust me. Hygiene. I mean, get yourself a deodorant. I mean, perfume, spray, deodorant. Like I have 3 perfumes. I have 1 body spray and I have deodorant. So I mean, even if you don't want to go extra and wild and all of that, get yourself a deodorant. I mean, smelling good makes people perceive you differently. I mean, you walk into a room and you're all, like, everybody's like, oh, God, who is this person? I mean, people want to know you, don't want to come close to you and be like, even some people can start talking to you, like can start a conversation through your perfume. Like, I love that perfume. Or someone that has the same perfume as you, like, that's my favorite perfume. And you can start a conversation, you know? So perfume is bomb. You need to look good. As far as you're looking good, it's also important to smell good. I mean, let people perceive that girl, that aura, that sweetness in you. I mean, even if you're a terrible person and you smell really nice, trust me, you'll make friends. So the next thing is mannerism. Mannerism. We just finished talking about um about maintenance, how you maintain that girl, I mean, that is how I'm maintaining that girl right now. So, mannerism. How do you carry yourself? Like I said, you should search about how the person you want to be carries herself. I mean, how do you carry yourself? Because you need to embody what you want to be. It's not when I have so much money, I'm going to be that girl. No. I mean, I don't know how I'm doing this, but I mean, it's not when you have so much money, you already have everything that you want, you start embodying the kind of girl you want to be. No, you don't need too much. I mean, DIYs are there. Making your hair DIY, like go on YouTube, you'll find things like that. DIY nails, DIY hair, DIY everything, styling, clothes, DIY. Like this top I'm wearing now, it's a gown. Yeah, it's a gown. And then I cut it off. Yeah, I cut it off because I wasn't liking the down anymore. I just loved it up. I like the whole style, you know. Are you feeling me? So let's talk about mannerism. How do you carry yourself? Do you carry yourself with grace and elegance? Do you carry yourself like, trust me, I'm not trying to like discriminate if you're how would I put the word? If you're a don't be forgetting the word. If you're a manly girl, I don't know how to put it. Anyways, you know what I'm saying. If you're a tomboy, something like that, you still need to carry yourself with grace. I mean, grace. I mean, you enter a room and your posture is like this, and like searching for your chair, like. I mean, people will be like, yes, this girl is that girl. But you enter a room and you're all like this, or you're sitting like this, and people will be like, what's wrong with this one? Do you have hunchback? I mean, you don't have hunchback, so why are you bending? I mean, stand up right, your head up, like up in the sky, like you're seeing everybody. Standing up like this, like you're seeing everybody, like you don't need to like turn too much to notice the room. So I mean, you just need to stand right. Make sure your postures are right. I mean, even the way you stand, I mean, your leg posture. Also practice legs posture. Like, I know a lot of people don't say this, but leg posture. I'm standing on the road, I want to take a bus or bike or wherever, and I'm standing like, okay. No, I mean, there's a way you stand and like, hey, and yeah, I mean, like leg postures is one thing I'm trying to like embody right now, and I think you should embody it too. Leg posture, how you stand, how you sit, the way your legs are when you sit. I mean, I love crossing my leg, and stuff like that. It's not only your posture doesn't just rely on your hand, your shoulder, or your head. It relies on your leg as well. In fact, the whole of your body. Learn the posture of the whole of your body. Okay. And posture also links with body type. There's where you stand as a lady in this body type. I mean, if you are extra, there's where you stand. If you're slimmer, there's a way you stand. If you're thick, there's a way you stand. So you need to learn. I mean, I might bring a video of it. Comment down below if you want to see that video on leg posture or full body posture. Comment down below if you want to see that video. Okay? So the next thing is, you do not have to tell the whole world your business. You just have to keep things private. Like, I love the power of privacy, like the power of shutting it, like the power of doing things and nobody knows about it. Like, I love the power of it. And then when you're done doing it, all they see is results. I mean, they know nothing about how you started why you started, and all. Even to your friends, keep your business private. Your business, like literally everything about you, keep it private. I am in a girl era, keep it private. I want to change my life, keep it private. I want to make more money, keep it private. I need a man, keep it private. I do not need a man, keep it private. It's only on you to better your life. It's you that need to work on what you need to work on. So keep it private, zip it. Keep your personal relationship private, your business private. Just focus on the right energy. You know, most people, why I said you should keep everything private is because most people do not want to see you be a better version of yourself. Most people just want you guys to be together and you should just be there. We are just there, all of us, we are the same thing. No. Make friends with people that inspires you. People that know more than you do. Not people that you're all in the same page, nothing is going on for you guys. You need to have something going on for yourself as a lady and a guy as well, because this also applies to a guy. I mean, always shave your hair as a guy. Another thing is consistency. You need to be consistent with that girl you want to be. You know, when I mean consistency, if you want to grow in your business, be consistent. If you want to grow in your personal life, your body, like you want to change your body. Like right now, I'm working on my tummy and we need to be consistent with it. If you're not consistent, you definitely not see results. You just be going around and around and around and around and around and nothing is happening for you. We need to be consistent in everything you do. Shots. And try to improve on every area of your life. Pick a particular area of your life and work on it. I'm in a clean girl era, so it's me doing my skincare all the time, trying to look good so I can feel good, having my bath regularly, working out regularly, like detoxing my body, all of that, so I can get the results I am looking for. So pick a particular area of your life, area of your life. Do you want to work on your body? Do you want to work on your character? Definitely character. How do you talk to people? How do you talk to people? You need to change a lot of things about your life if they are not good. Change is constant. We need to change all the time. Yeah. I want you to build your world, your environment. What kind of people do you stay around? What kind of visions do you have for yourself? What kind of life do you have for yourself? Make sure you reflect on these things and you're good to go. So I don't want this video to be too long. It might have a part 2, who knows? But for now, I guess this is the end of the video. I hope you learned 1 or 2 from this video. I know I was just everywhere, but you get the point, right? So see you guys in my next video and stay blessed. Peace, love, and happiness. Love you.